Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Greek salad with feta cheese. Gather ripe tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, Kalamata olives, feta, extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, dried oregano, and coarse salt. Chop vegetables into bite-sized pieces and crumble feta by hand for texture. Toss gently to coat without breaking tomatoes. Taste and adjust lemon and salt to balance acidity and saltiness. Serve immediately on a chilled platter and enjoy crisp. Start by measuring each ingredient for consistency and balance. Use firm tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and a high-quality block feta for best results. Slice vegetables uniformly so every bite has vegetables and feta. Reserve some olive oil and lemon juice for dressing to taste. Combine dried oregano with a pinch of salt before dressing. Let salad sit 5 minutes to meld flavors, but serve within 30 minutes to keep vegetables crisp. Whisk a simple dressing of 3 parts olive oil to 1 part lemon juice with salt and oregano. Taste while whisking and adjust acidity or salt in small increments. Add a splash of red wine vinegar if you want extra tang. Fold dressing into salad gently to avoid bruising tomatoes. For presentation, pile salad high in a shallow bowl and top with a whole slab of feta. Serve with crusty bread to soak up dressing and juices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.